Hello, Jake. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm really excited. Today, we will learn about polite questions.
Polite questions? That sounds interesting. What do you mean by that?
Well, we'll use phrases like, could you tell me, to ask questions politely.
Oh, right. Instead of just asking, we make it sound nicer?
Exactly. It's like showing respect when we ask something.
I see. Can you give me an example?
Of course. For instance, could you tell me where the library is?
So, I'm asking politely. Can I try one?
Please do. I'd love to hear your example.
Okay. Could you tell me what time is it?
That's close, but remember to say, could you tell me what time it is?
Ah, got it. I'll practice more.
Great. Let's continue and learn more about it.
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's start the grammar introduction. Polite questions are essential in English.
Why is it important to be polite?
Being polite helps us communicate better and makes people happy.
That makes sense. So, how do we use these polite questions?
We usually start with phrases like, could you, or would you. Here's an example. Could you explain the project to me?
Got it. That's smoother than just asking directly. Another example?
Sure. Could you show me how to use this app?
That sounds friendly. I like this idea.
One more example. Could you tell me where you work?
These questions lead to nice conversations, don't they?
Absolutely. Now, let's jump into our first dialogue. Ready?
Yes, let's do it.
All right. I wonder if you could tell me your favorite book.
I think it's The Great Gatsby. Do you know it?
Yes. I love that book. Could you explain why you like it?
Sure. It's the style and the story. Can you show me your favorite part?
I would love to. It's the ending. By the way, could you tell me more about the author?
F. Scott Fitzgerald, right? What do you know about him?
I know he was part of the Jazz Age. Could you explain more about that time?
Sure. It was a time of great change in America. Can I tell you about its impact?
Yes, please do. I wonder how it influenced modern literature.
It opened doors for new ideas in writing. Could you show me some examples?
Absolutely. Authors like Hemingway were influenced by this era. Could you tell me what you think about him?
I think he's incredible. Can you explain his style to me?
His style is very direct, almost simple. I wonder if you like simple writing?
I do. Could you tell me if you prefer detailed descriptions?
Sometimes, yes. It creates a vivid picture. Can I show you an example from my favorite story?
I'd love to hear it.
It's about a girl exploring a magical world. Would you like to know more about it?
Definitely. Could you tell me its title?
It's called Alice in Wonderland. Have you ever read it?
Not yet, but it's on my list. Can you explain what it's about?
Of course. It's about a girl's adventures in a strange world. I wonder if you'd enjoy it?
I think I would. Let's read it together sometime.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. Now, let's move to dialogue 2.
Okay, what do we talk about next?
Let's ask questions about travel. I wonder, could you tell me your favorite country?
Oh, I love Japan. Do you know about its culture?
Yes, it's fascinating. Could you explain what you love most about it?
I adore the food. Could you show me how to make sushi sometime?
I would love to. Do you know what ingredients I need?
I think it's rice and fish, right? Can you tell me if there's more?
Yes. You also need seaweed and vegetables. Would you like to try making it together?
Absolutely. Could you explain how to roll it properly?
Of course. First, you need to spread the rice evenly. I wonder if you're excited to try?
I am. Could you tell me when we can start?
How about this weekend? Could you show me your availability?
I'm free on Saturday. Can you explain how long it takes to make sushi?
It usually takes around an hour. Could you tell me what your favorite sushi is?
I love California rolls. Do you know how to make them?
Yes. Could you show me how to eat them properly?
Sure. We should have chopsticks. Could you tell me if it's easy to use them?
It takes a bit of practice, but you'll get the hang of it. I wonder if you have ever used them?
Not really. Can you show me while we're making sushi?
Definitely. Now, let's talk about vocabulary.
Sure. What words are we focusing on?
Our words are wonder, know, tell, explain, and show. Let's start with wonder.
Okay. Use it in a sentence.
I wonder what the weather is like today. That's a common use.
Got it. Another example?
I wonder if they will join us for dinner.
Interesting. One more?
I wonder how many people will attend the event.
Nice. Next word?
The next word is know. For example, I know her very well.
I know. It's easy to use.
Do you know how to play chess? Would you like to try?
Sure. I know where the board is.
I don't know if I can win against you.
You might surprise me. What's the next word?
Next is tell. Can you tell me how to get there? Is a good example.
Right. I can tell you directions.
Please tell me your favorite movie. Can you make a sentence?
Of course. Could you tell me what time it is?
Perfect. Next one is explain. Use it in a sentence.
Can you explain how this game works?
Very nice. One more?
I can explain the rules to you.
Great. Last word is show. How would you use that?
Can you show me your planner?
Excellent. Another one?
Could you show me the way to the station?
Good job. Now let's review what we learned.
Sure. What are the questions?
First, could you tell me how to ask someone for directions politely?
I would say, could you tell me where the nearest bus stop is?
Exactly. Now, can you give an example using wonder?
I wonder if it will rain tomorrow.
Perfect. How about using explain in a question?
Could you explain the schedule to me?
That's great. Now, could you tell me what to do if you want to know someone's opinion?
Could you tell me what you think about this book?
Wonderful. Let's close this lesson. Next time, we will talk about giving advice in English.
That sounds helpful. I can't wait.
Me too, Jake. See you then.